Guys, it's your girl Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of watching me, don't fail to subscribe, like, share and comment. I love you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this gele on my thumbnail on yourself. I already uploaded a video showing you guys how to tie it on someone, but today I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this gele on yourself. I do hope you love it. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. So as usual, the first thing you do is to fold the edges of your gele so that when you place it on your head, it doesn't come out rough. And then after doing that, the next thing I did was to make about 5 pleats before placing the gele on my head. But then the rule for this particular gele today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to be really short and it has to stay at the back, while the other hand of your gele has to really be long. It has to go round your head. So right now I'm holding the 80 part of my gele, which is the longest part of my gele, and I'm just going to make pleats with it. I'm going to make pleats from the side of my face towards the middle, and then from the middle towards the other side of your face. I love this gele so much because this is one of the most trending unconventional geles. And if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie any form of unconventional gele at all, what are you waiting for? Please do that. It's very necessary and it's very important. And if they help you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys. So right now I'm making my pleats, and now I'm also trying to make sure that they are neatly done. You know, the pleats are the beauty of the gele. So when you're tying your gele, you have to make sure that your pleats actually come out nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to keep putting my hand in there until I feel comfortable and until I feel like the pleats are okay on my head. So right now I'm done making pleats from the left hand side of my face towards the middle. So I'm going to make pleats from the middle of my head towards the right hand side of my face. It's usually easier that way so that you don't lose any pleats. So I'm just going to do that. I do hope that you guys understand what I'm saying, but your gele has to be 80, the ratio of 80, because it has to go round your head and towards the back. So right now I'm just going to hold my plates the way you can see me do in the video. I'm just going to pick them one by one so that I don't lose any plates at all. And then after doing that, I'm going to take them towards the other side of my head, and I'm going to just pin it there. And you really need to take your time. You really need to pin properly. You really need to pin properly so that your gele does not unravel. We actually have two styles to this particular type of gele. You can knot it at the back and you can also pin it, but most times I feel more comfortable pinning the gele, and that's why I'm pinning it right now. But you can as well tie or knot your gele at the back. It also works. So guys, this is basically what you should do when you're trying to tie this gele for yourself. Once it has already given you that infinity shape in front, all you really need to do is to make sure that you press the gele this way you are seeing me doing in the video, so that the middle is pointed and so that it's sharp. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share, and do not fail to turn on your notification button so that each time I post you will definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next